In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and delete messages in Slack. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. From the results, click the official Slack website and sign into your workspace as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on the Slack interface where you can access your channels and direct messages. Next, open the channel or group chat where the message you want to change lives. This could be any public or private channel you're a member of, or a group DM. Scroll to locate the specific message you want to update or remove. Keep in mind that you can only edit or delete messages you sent yourself, and your workspace settings may affect what's allowed. Let's start by editing. Hover your cursor over your message to reveal the action bar to the right. Click the three dots icon, often labeled More Actions. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Message. Your original text will become editable in place. Make your changes carefully, whether you're fixing a typo, clarifying a point, or adding missing context. When you're happy with the update, click Save to confirm. Slack will mark the message as edited so others know it was updated. If you don't see the option to edit, it could be because your admins have limited editing or there's a time window for changes in your workspace. Now, if you need to remove a message entirely, the process is similar. Hover over the same message and click the three dots icon again. This time, select Delete Message. Slack will ask you to confirm, just to prevent accidental removal. Click Delete to confirm, and the message will disappear from the conversation for everyone with access to that channel or chat. Remember, deleting a message is typically permanent and can't be undone, and attachments tied to that message may be removed as well. Depending on your organization's policies and retention settings, some delete options may be restricted. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you work. Editing is great for small fixes and clarifications, while deletion is best for messages that shouldn't stay in the conversation at all. When editing, aim to keep the original meaning intact. And if you make a substantial change, consider following up with a brief clarification so teammates aren't confused. And always double-check before you confirm a delete, especially in channels with lots of visibility. That's it. You've learned how to edit and delete messages in Slack quickly and confidently.